Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shabina Fatma. Today we are going to discuss about lip prints. So lips are fleshy folds, two fleshy folds present in our face, and this is the softest part of our body. When the body is dehydrated, the lips are dried. So lip print is also found in various types of crime scene. When it can be found on the tips of glass bottles, on cigarette butts, on glass containers, and any utensils which is used for drinking water. It can contain the lip prints, and we can do DNA, because if saliva is also present there, then we can do DNA also. So lip prints, it can be visible if lipstick marks are there. It can be latent also. So if it is latent, then we can develop it using charcoal method or using so many other kind of methods. We can also use silver metallic powder for developing it, or aluminum powder for development of lip print. If lip prints, sometimes lip prints are found on non-porous surface, like on mirror, it is a non-porous surface. On shiny wood, it is also non-porous. Then we can do what? We can do photography. So there is a pattern for recording of lip print. If you want to record the lip print of a suspect, then you can take the paper, and then what can you do? Apply the lipstick on the suspect's lip, and then just you can record the you can record the lip print in a three ways: pouted one, stressed one, and rolled one. So for recording the rolled lip print, the paper should be rolled from one side of the lip to the other to record its full profile. Then then tell the suspect to make a pouted lip, and then just press the paper against the lip to collect the pouted lip print. And then third one is stressed the lip and rolled the paper from one side of the lip to the other to record its full view. And lip prints, there are two parts, upper lip and lower lip, and there is a slit in between from where the mouth opens. This slit is oral fissure, and in the upper lip and lower lip there are upper vermilion border and lower vermilion border. So there are various shapes of it, there can be boat shaped, basin shaped. In case of lower lip, it can be boat shaped, basin shaped. In case of upper lip, there can be two peak, when two peak like structure is present on the upper vermilion border, means two hill like structure is present on the upper lip, it is two peak, its name is two peak. And the lips, it can be, when you notice, in most of the cases the upper lip is thin and the lower lip is thick. In general, there can be exception. So the lips can be thin, thick, protruding. Some persons, they have protruding lips, protruding lower lips, because upper lip is not protruding in most of the cases, but lower lip is protruding, it is common. So there are various patterns formed on these upper and lower lips. If you notice, you can see, if you observe the lips carefully, lip prints carefully, you can see that there are fine lines present on these surfaces. These lines, these can be straight, these can be branched, intersecting reticular mesh like structures are sometimes found, and these patterns can be irregular. So we have to study these patterns only. So there are various scientists, they came and went and gave their classification. So one of the famous classification is of Suzuki and Tsuchihashi. He classified the patterns into 5 types, like as type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 and type 5. And the complete vertical means the straight line, the complete vertical and complete invertical is kept under type 1. Then the branched pattern like the branch of a tree, the branched pattern is kept in type number 2, type 2. Intersecting in type 3, reticular in type 4 means mesh like structure in type 4, and irregular in type 5. So when you get any kind of lip print, then observe these kinds of patterns on the upper lip as well as on the lower lip, and this is the Suzuki and Tsuchihashi classification. And we can record the lip prints, we can photograph it for preservation and for future reference purpose. So this is all about the lip prints. Friends, if you like the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.